Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my own kind of trifle. This is how it looks. All you're going to be needing to make this is some cake, pudding, any kind of fruits you have at home. I have plum, orange, and mango. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to be adding some of my custard. Then I'm going to add some of my cake. Some more custard. Some fruit. I'm going to add some more custard. Some more cake. I'm gonna add a circle of cake, a small dot of custard, and a piece of plum. And that's how I made my trifle. Time for the taste test. Delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram at Sarah the Little Baker. Bye. See you next time.